Hello everyone, this is Ivan Ross. The lesson I'm going to teach you today is all about Introduction to Differentiation. First, the FDD, the forward divided difference, VDD, or the backward divided difference, and CDD, the central divided difference. Introduction to differentiation or divided difference. It has three methods in determining the derivative of a equation. First, the FDD, the forward divided difference. The formula is f of xl equals to xi, f of xi plus 1, or the future value, minus f of xi, or the function of present value over h, or the step size. Next is BDD, the backward divided difference. The f of xl, or the second derivative, equals to fxi, or the function of the present value, minus fxi minus 1, or the past value, over h, or the step size. Next is the CDD, or the central divided difference. The first derivative of xl, or the function of it, equals to fxi plus 1, or the function of the future value, minus f of xi minus 1, or the function of the past value over 2 times the step size. Let's make an example. Negative 0.5 times x to the fourth plus 4x to the third minus 10x squared plus 8.5x plus 1. The x is 0, or the initial condition, and the step size equals to 0.5. First, we must find the future value, the past value, and the present value. In finding the past value, you must subtract the step size to the initial condition, or xi. The answer will be negative 0.5. Next is the future value. You must add the step size to the present value, which means to 0.5, the positive 0.5. Then, we can get the function of each value by substituting negative 0.50 and 0.5 to the x of the value. The function of xi minus 1 equals to negative 5.2813. The function of the present value equals to 1. And the function of the future value equals to 2.2183. To get the true value, we must differentiate this equation. Then substitute the initial condition. Negative 2.0 x to the third plus 12x squared minus 20x plus 8.5. Then we substitute the 0. The answer will be 8.5. Means the true value is 8.5. Then proceed to the equation of the three divided difference, FDD, BDD, and CDD. First, FDD. XL equals to function of the future value, 2.2183, to 187,288 minus 1, or the present value, over 0.5. The answer will be 2.4376. Next, the BDD. F of xl equals to the future value, function of future value, minus negative 5.2813 to 8 to 813 over 0.5. The answer would be 12.4366. Next, the CDD or central divide difference f of XL is equals to the future value minus the past value over 2 times step size or the 0.5. The answer would be 7.4371. In determining the true error, true relative error, the true value, that is the approximate value over the true value, the absolute value of it, is 100. The true relative error of FDD equals to 71.82%. The true relative error of BDD is equals to 46.31%. And the true relative error of CDD is equals to 12.5%.